This is the Tesla Model 3, and if your cameras don't work, first of all, make sure the cameras are clean, make sure the cameras are not covered by anything, because they may stop working just because they are covered by something. And actually, this is a very common reason why they deactivate. Then the second thing to try is to power off reset your car. So you go to controls, then you go to safety, right? And here you have power off button, power off, and then you confirm you want to power off your car. So you power off, and it will turn off the screen, and it will reset all the features. Then you sit 2 minutes without touching anything, and after 2 minutes you press the brake, and when you press the brake the screen will go on. And yeah, my car is not started. Okay, never mind. The screen will go on, and you will be able to use cameras if this is what happened, if it's a software related issue. So this is one more way to make the cameras work. Also, if the cameras still don't work, you may check for updates. Sometimes a software update may reinstall the software firmware for your cameras, and as you see, I have the software update, this yellow arrow, amber arrow, and I just need to connect to Wi-Fi to download the software update and update it. This is what I need to do anyway, and it may solve a couple of problems that I have in this car. So anyway, another option you can go for is to go to service mode and calibrate the cameras. This is a very simple thing you can do on your own without going to the dealership, paying money. So what you need to do, you need to go to the software, controls, then software, then you have this Model 3, press and hold the Model 3 for several seconds, then release it. It offers you, please enter access code. Your access code for service is service. What a surprise. So service, okay, enter, you are in the service mode, and here you have a lot of tools, a lot of things you can do. Your cameras are here in driver assist cameras. Now I have all cameras green, so they are all working. Anyway, you can have some cameras grayed out. You can have them all green here, it doesn't matter. You can clear camera calibration. This is what you can do. This is a long process, but it will direct you through it. So you can actually do this with this calibration. You can run it. In my case, I can't, because a lot of locked function here in this type of software. But in majority of cases, you will be able to calibrate the cameras by doing this, by going to this menu, service menu. When you're done and the cameras are calibrated, you press this button and go out of the service mode. And this is how actually, these are all ways I know to solve this camera problem. So if you couldn't solve the issue, probably the problem is with the cameras itself. So one of the cameras may not be working at all, for example. And then you need the appointment with the dealership and replace the camera that's not working.